In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Wix mobile site. Whether you're a business owner, a blogger, or just someone creating a website, having a mobile-friendly design is absolutely essential. Did you know that most users visit websites on their mobile devices these days? That means a clunky or misaligned mobile site could drive visitors away before they even get to see the best parts of your content. Luckily, Wix makes it simple to fine-tune your mobile site so it looks great and functions smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to optimize your Wix mobile site for the best possible user experience. So, let's jump right in and get started. To begin, you're going to want to open the Wix website. Head over to the Wix homepage and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the websites you've created under your account. Now, locate the website you want to edit. Once you find it, click on it to open the Wix Editor. This is where all the magic happens, and it's where we'll be making the changes to your mobile site. When the Wix Editor opens, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a small smartphone. This is the mobile icon. Click on it to switch from the desktop view to the mobile view. This is one of the best features of Wix. It lets you edit your mobile site separately from your desktop site, giving you full control over how your website looks on smaller screens. Now that you're in the mobile view, take a moment to review how your site looks. Go through each section and identify any elements that seem out of place. Maybe some text is too large and spills off the screen, or perhaps a button isn't aligned properly. You might also notice images that don't display quite the way you intended. Pay close attention to anything that could make your site harder to navigate or less visually appealing on a mobile device. Once you've pinpointed the areas that need improvement, it's time to start making adjustments. You can move elements around by simply clicking and dragging them into place. If something is too big or too small, resize it until it fits appropriately within the mobile layout. Wix also allows you to hide specific elements from your mobile site if they don't work well on smaller screens. For example, you might have a large image or block of text that looks fine on desktop but clutters the mobile view. Don't worry, hiding an element on mobile won't affect how it appears on your desktop site. After you've made your adjustments, it's important to test your changes before making them live. To do this, use the preview mode in the Wix Editor. Navigate through your site as if you were a visitor, checking how everything looks and feels. Is the text easy to read? Are the buttons easy to tap? Does everything load correctly? This step is crucial because it helps you experience your site the way your audience will. If you notice anything that still needs tweaking, don't hesitate to go back and make additional changes. Take your time to ensure everything looks and works exactly as you want. When you're satisfied with the results, it's time to publish your updates. Look for the Publish button in the Wix Editor and click on it. This will push all of your changes live, updating your mobile site for everyone to see. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully fixed and optimized your Wix mobile site. A well-designed mobile site not only keeps your visitors happy, but also helps your website rank better in search engines, which is always a bonus. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Good luck with your website, and I'll see you in the next video.